It is the Cave Mobile. Kev and Kate. I absolutely love this van. What's that, Kev?
Best side, Stu.
Oh, your best side, yeah.
There we go. The eyes are on.
The eyes are on. I'm going to show them quickly in your van because...
Let me tidy it up first.
Oh, let me tidy it up, nonsense. So this is a Vauxhall Vivaro long wheelbase. I happen to have this exact same van and I currently use it for work, and I had thought about converting it myself, but I don't know if we're going to have the time to do it now, so I thought I'll show you inside Kev and Kate's van. Let's have a look around the back. So we've got the bike rack, lots of stickers, love it. So there's places they've been and other YouTubers. There's a familiar one at the top.
Want me to show you inside?
Yeah, let's have a look.
So because it's a small van, you just need lots of little things.
Yeah.
So this has been handy for us. So we fill it, especially if we're in Scotland, with all your little bits. Table.
Oh, like that table.
Bed-wise, it's rolled. I roll it. And then
So
just
yeah,
roll
it's a
it
rock
out.
and roll bed
Yeah.
inside, isn't it?
Yeah, and I'll just roll it up and leave it there. Pillars fit above there. There is a, because it's winter, there is an electric blanket in there as well.
Oh.
Already plugged in.
Already plugged in, ready to go.
All ready to
And
go.
we've got one of these.
Yes.
The Cardiac Chef. Is it the
Yeah.
Carry Chef, that one?
Look at that.
Yeah, the Carry
Yeah.
Chef too, yeah. Brilliant.
Obviously you've got extra
Barbecue.
storage. This is a mess. I've not tidied it really since Scotland, but I had them extra shelves put in because it's just a waste of space if you don't.
Yeah. Like you said, you have in van life, you've got to make use of all the storage that you can.
And underneath you've got your gas bottle.
So your gas bottles underneath it. Is that one of the little propane ones?
Yeah.
Love it. So you got a solar panel on the roof.
Yes, we have.
On the pop top. So here's the pop top. They've done the opening window on the non-sliding door, which to me makes sense because I see a lot of people do the opening sliding window on the sliding door, and I think, well, you just open the door, wouldn't you?
It's a cooker side, which
Yeah.
you need.
Yeah.
Which you need ventilation. This is the super duper step.
The super duper step.
Yes,
So you've
wherever
actually
we
got
go.
to step up there, and then you've got to step back down to get into the van.
This step, I've sold loads, and I'm not paid to sell them. But because it's got open and close, so you've got close,
Job
flat
done.
pack,
I like that.
open. There has been more people come to me on campsites and ask me where we've got that from.
Yeah, than anything else.
Yes.
Now our one is our seat covers. We get asked that all the time. Where'd you get the seat covers from? Yeah.
In the van, I put these down because when you're up Scotland, you need that little bit of more warmth, and the only ones I'd got was these that we have in the.
So they're like the gym mats, aren't they?
So I just cut them down just to give you that little bit more warmth on the floor, even though it's insulated underneath.
Yeah.
And then obviously we've got this turn seat, double seat.
You got the double seats at the front.
Yep.
They're on a swivel base, so that's the base on that's been upgraded.
Yes. Yep. Then we've also we pull this driver's seat forward, and then we drop it, and that's where our toilet fits.
Ah, so that's your toilet.
Yeah.
And you was just telling me down there as well, you've got your diesel heater.
Yep. Diesel heater's there.
And you got the vent there, which you could imagine on a van the size of a Vivaro. I would imagine I'd heat this up pretty quick.
Amazing.
Yeah. So then the fuel for that, do you have a separate tank for that, or is it tapped into your main?
Straight into the mains.
Yeah, best way.
You hardly use it. You don't even know you've used any.
Yeah.
So it takes that little, and it can be on all night if you want it to be on all night.
That's good.
And then on this side, we've got power points down here that we had fitted.
Let's have a look,
Can't
see if
really
I
see
can.
them because the toilets.
Oh
here.
yeah. So
And then you've got your double.
So this is the sink and hob section.
Yes. And the reason I keep this wooden block on, because if anything fell,
It protects the glass,
It won't smash my
We've
glass.
actually, funny enough, we've just rearranged our top cupboard so that no tins are in the cupboard above the glass hob for the exact same reason.
There's the cooker.
So you got your hob.
Yeah.
And next to her.
Excuse the rice pudding. And then we've got this sink. There you go. Oh, and a loaf of bread.
Sink and a loaf of bread.
It's amazing what you can keep.
So that faucet just pops up then.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's all you need though, isn't it?
It is. Yeah.
Little mini fridge.
Yes, and it's a freezer as well. This. You can actually put it on full freeze. So you can take this out, your freezer box.
Right.
And have it on full freeze.
So the whole box will be a freezer instead of a fridge.
Yeah.
That's good.
Which we've never had. And then under here, oh, this one, I love this. When we had the van done, I didn't realise we was having this.
Right, okay. So this was an added bonus for you guys.
Yes.
Nice. Push top.
I couldn't believe,
drawer.
because most little vans have got this tiny little cupboard that you'd have to try and ram everything in.
Yeah.
And when he opened that, I couldn't believe it.
It's nice.
Yeah.
I like that.
And then we've got one that goes under the sink, but I can get a lot in here, you know, like your wipes, your floor wipes, your bin liners,
well,
everything.
obviously you've got the bowl of the sink to contend with there, haven't you? But still, it's making use of every little bit of space that you can.
And then these two cupboards down here, under the sink is our water.
So can you fill that from outside, Kate?
No, we just fill it from inside. You just unscrew the red top and then just tip it in.
So you use like you've got a 5 litre container there.
We don't drink the water that's in the van.
No,
so
that's
it's just basically for rinsing or washing pots.
your hands and whatnot.
And then obviously my pots go in there, but we do tend to buy flat pack things. So everything fits in. In this one, this is our, can we say, nibble cupboard.
The nibble cupboard. So this is where we'll all be 10 o'clock tonight for nibbles.
Plates out.
Oh, Charles will love that.
It goes right back. Every cupboard
Pringles,
that we've got
breadsticks.
is the full length. Everything is in there.
The nibble cupboard. Every van has a nibble cupboard.
And then this one again is the full width. So it's not just a little cupboard, it goes the full length.
Goes all the way back.
And in there's all sorts, tin stuff, plates that I keep in, save me trying to get in the big one.
Yeah.
And in the big cupboard, so again, this was just one big cupboard, and I just thought it's a waste. So again, I got my brother and Kev to put me another shelf in.
She got some extra shelves put in.
And then I've just bought these lights. I bought these lights from the Melvin show actually. We just put it on.
Oh yeah.
And one at
some
bottom.
little cheeky LED lights.
Yeah. There you go.
So
and
that's
it just
another
goes
food
right down
store,
to where the battery is.
So that's where your leisure battery is as well.
And we had a lithium battery put in,
Oh, they're good. That's actually an upgrade.
Because we do a lot of wild camping.
Yeah.
We need a decent battery.
Yeah, definitely.
So we went and had a lithium battery put in. And here, because we didn't have the bed put up.
So you haven't got a bed within your pop-up.
No. But
let me just. Oh, right,
stand
there you
up
are.
straight.
That's it.
Because we didn't have the bed. This is because I've just thrown up here because obviously Stu needed to get in and look at the van. All our clothes fit up here, and they all fit in these bags. And when we're travelling, we've each got our own name on, so I can just open it up and get out.
So you can get hold of your old clothes. Yeah.
Yeah, and if our grandson does stay, and he has stayed in the van with us, I've got another board that fits here.
So you can turn it into a bed.
I can turn it into a bed because I got my brother to do these for me.
Yeah, and more importantly,
the bed.
The rock and roll bed.
Plus, we have got storage under here as well. Just let me move this lot out of the way.
Thing is, when you got
caught me on the op though.
I have proper caught you on the op. I know. As I said, they haven't even unpacked, and I'm here vlogging their van.
Right. So, what we got here? This is full storage all the way to the back.
Yeah.
And it opens at the back as well.
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah. So if we're at Scotland, other stuff can go under there. If we, want extra food. Not that we don't buy in Scotland, we do.
Yeah.
But it's always best to have stuff in just in case. So yeah.
So there you have it. That's a Vauxhall Vivaro Vivaro.
Long wheelbase.
Long wheelbase, and it just goes to show that even these smaller vans, you know, your VWs, your Transits, and your Vivaros.
Price.
Yeah,
Of
mass.
a VW.
Well, that's it. A lot cheaper, but it's all about making use of all those storage spaces.
Now, because I ummed and ahed what to bring, I could have brought my microwave, and my microwave fits up here. Perfect.
So you got somewhere for everywhere.
Yeah, I've got, yeah. This, because we've got a toilet, we've not got a cubicle like you have in a motorhome.
Yeah.
I made a modesty curtain.
A modesty curtain. So what, does that slide on the runners
It
up
just
here?
comes off,
Yeah.
And it just goes to wherever you want it, and then it just slides.
And job
off.
done. Your VV camper
Yes.
that I've just nicknamed the Cave Camper, the Cave Mobile.
I might have that.
Kev and Kate.
Kev and Kate.
Cave Mobile.